Hi everyone. Today I'm doing VTEC solenoid gasket on a '03 Honda Accord. It's a 4-cylinder 2.4, so it's similar on all the other models until 2007 at least. So the solenoid gasket breaks often and be replaced after it's a high mileage vehicle, or if you have leaking oil on top of the oil filter. I'll show you where it's located. So this is the engine, and if you go back to the engine, it's right there. Let's see. That's where it's located, and that's what it looks like from the back. So there are 3 bolts, long bolts, holding it with a copper, 1, 2, and the third one here. You can see from the other side. I already put the gasket in. This particular one didn't have one, so you can leave the vehicle up, take out the oil filter, it's easier, or you can just do it from the top as I did. You just gotta know where the bolts are. So this is just gonna sit like this at the back of the engine. And the connectors are here. That's the connector. I'm gonna show you the connectors. These are the connectors, 1 and 2 connectors that goes on top of this. See the 2 connectors, you can miss them, so those connectors have to be taken out before we take off the 3 bolts. Alright, thanks for watching.